UGITIRI na uruti wira wa ruhonge rwa borithi na kuria agiteteire munene wa borithi ni JAPHETH Koome na ni iguru ria njatukano kana ria ngucanio iria cikiyumiritie gatagati gake na ruhonge rwa utungata wa borithi guku bururi-ini gukiria uguo ni ugite ati Koome ni agikorirwo akirumirira makinya marumu kana maria magirire makiwatho WAMURANI-ini wa makamishina makiria ma 500 na maria maikorirwo makiamurwo
is in two fronts. Either the courts of law, who have the legal mandate to interpret the law, is not a recent matter, is an old matter. As soon as the 2010 Constitution was promulgated and an independent National Police Service established. For example, not every officer can go and command an operation against terror. Some are drunkard, and I'm talking from experience now. I've been minister for 7.5 months. Some talk their phones are switched off. The clarifications and the interactions and whatever needs to be done should be done within established institutions and outside the public layer.
I'll keep the time to give me what I expected as a layman. A good example of PSC.
Na tugicokereria na riboti iria ngwikoretwo